3 Red Foundation. This is the Youth Red Foundation. It was formed by young people who want to connect anyone, anywhere to bring a positive impact in the society. 3 Red Foundation was formed on 3 aims: connecting anyone, anywhere to deliver positive impact in the society, ensuring mental health awareness, and supporting those with disabilities, and conserving the environment. To protect the environment, you first have to know the benefit of the environment, to show the beautiful of the environment to the youth. We organized hiking activity. During our hiking, we passed by water, which was not common to most of us. Amachira. Most of us were surprised. It was the first time to see this water. We took pictures and some videos. Still on our hiking, we passed by Muslim Technical School, but we were stopped by the owner of the school. He was surprised to see young people in these activities. He gave us some briefings and life advices. We reached our destination. Our main destination of hiking was the Hill of Miracles. People come from different parts of the country to come to pray on this mountain, with the hope that when they come to this hill, their wishes will be answered. When we reached our destinations, some said their wishes. It was a wonderful moment. After reaching our destination, we moved down from the hill, heading to the waterfall. You can't understand how the youth was excited to go to the waterfall. They were enjoying, and this is what we wanted, to make them feel how sweet, how wonderful to experience the best the environment can give them. That would make them have the initiative of protecting and conserving the environment. When we reached the waterfall, this is something else for our people. They enjoyed, they took some videos, photos. As you can see in the video, I also stepped in water. The water was so cold. This was an unforgettable and wonderful moment. Most of us, it was the first time to see the waterfall by our eyes. We took a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. This was a wonderful moment with new people. The Red Foundation aim is to connect anyone, anywhere, to bring a positive impact to the world. Most of us didn't know each other before this hiking, but we became friends because we had the same aim and the same goal. We were excited to see waterfall, but still we were also excited to reach our last destination and share Christmas with the family in not good condition, as the aim of the 3 Red Foundation to support those in bad conditions. We took a short walk from the waterfall, heading to town where that family lived. The youth kept taking some pictures of the environment. It was a beautiful nature, green. Even the ignorance logs, which are fire-formed logs. Some people from Kigali, they didn't know fire-formed logs. This was a great experience today. We also passed by a source of underground water, which is fresh water. Some people had a taste on that water. some good initiative of having some projects which can deliver clean water to people in remote areas. Continued our walking, heading to the family. During our walk, it started raining, but the youth was not stopped by rain due to the initiative they had, the heart of helping, and how they were enjoying it. They kept moving in the rain. We tried to look for some umbrellas, but it didn't stop us from our walk. And some took it as a blessing and they enjoyed it. We had become friends, came from different parts, but now we are acting like we are brothers and sisters. We reached our last destination where we were going to help this family, giving the children school materials, shoes, and helping the family to pay health insurance. We didn't only want to give them things, but we also wanted to create an unforgettable moment with them, have fun with them, show them there are some people who care about them. There are some people who love them. There are some people who appreciate them. We shared meals with all of us. We had fun. We danced. We enjoyed the moment. We connected with each other. This was time for discussion. This was a great, wonderful moment. Honestly, we had a lot of fun. This was something else. Great moments, unforgettable memories with new friends. We exchanged ideas, we interacted with each other. But we didn't forget our main purpose, that was to help this family. We were waiting for the right moment to deliver our gifts to them. Before we deliver our gifts, we had a short interaction, a short discussion. We exchanged ideas from each other.
ntabwo abantu bose bafite ibitekerezo byo kuvuga ngo twebwe twagafashije abantu gutya na gutya. Hari abandi bajene.
When the right time came, we delivered our gifts to the family. We were also happy to make other people happy. Just for the little things we thought that were little, but in front of others, for something big. We also thank everyone who participated